Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. My name's Jen. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below so you can stay up to date on all my latest videos. We are on day 23 of the unboxing series and 2 days away from Christmas and 1 day away from Christmas Eve. So exciting! And yeah, I have 3 advent calendars. If you guys haven't seen the rest of my playlist, make sure you guys go check it out. I'll link it up above for you guys. But without further ado, let's get started. Alright, we are going to be starting with the 24 Days of Tea by David's Tea today. This is what the inside looks like. We are on day 23, which is right up here. It is called Valerian Nights. This is what it looks like on the inside. And let's look at the back to see what it is and what's in it. It is a herbal infusion tea. It is caffeine free. It has apple, roasted coconut, rooibos, I think is how my friend told me to say that, rooibos. Chamomile, caramel pieces, sweet blackberry leaves, natural coconut flavoring, valerian root, natural caramel, sweet blackberry leaf flavoring, and it contains coconut if you're allergic to coconut. So, like I said, I will try this out. I will post a video of me trying it and let you guys know what I think of it now. Alright, so this is the Valerian Nights, or however you say it. It smells really odd. It smelled odd when I took it out or when I first put the tea into the tea infuser. The actual tea leaves itself smelled weird. And then now the tea kind of smells weird. I don't know how to describe the smell. It's just not pleasant. But I'll still try it and let you guys know what I think. And here goes nothing. Ooh. This is not it. This is not my tea. I'm sure it's somebody else's tea. Not me. I don't know how to describe it, but the mix of flavors is just not making my tongue happy, that sounded really weird. Anywho, yeah, I give this a 3. Not good. Would never get again. Not even gonna drink another sip of it. I'm done. Alright, so we are on to the 24 Days of Beauty by Belk. This is what the inside of it looks like. Day 23 is this big one right here that I've already almost kind of ripped into because this box does not like to stay together. I think this is a separate type of makeup cleaner, or maybe it's a face thingy. If you guys know what this is, this is what it looks like. If you know what this is, let me know down below because I have no clue what this is. I will figure it out and I might use it in the wrong way, but let me know. I guess I could also probably look on the website. I could do that. I definitely could do that. That's the easy way out though, isn't it? I'm losing it. Anywho, that is the beauty calendar. Alright, last but not least, we have the Joe and Steph's popcorn calendar, and we are on day 23, like I said, which is right here. It is the salted caramel, and I believe this was one of the first ones that I tried. I will link the video up above so you guys can go check that out because I will post a video of me trying this again. But this has been one of my favorite ones of the, it's just a classic if I remember correctly, and it was really good the first time I tried it. But yeah, I will link it up above for you guys. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I've been having a lot of fun with this whole series. I'm kind of sad that it ends tomorrow, but make sure you guys tune in tomorrow for my last unboxing my advent calendar series. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas Eve tomorrow, and yeah, I will see you guys back here tomorrow. Make sure to follow me on all my social media so you guys can stay up to date on when I post. Follow me on Instagram at miss_JennaD_, on Twitter at JennaDMiss, and on Facebook at miss_JennaD. I love you guys, and I will see you guys back here tomorrow for the final unboxing day. Love you. Bye.